Hello and welcome. It's Jilly Cube and I'm here in Queensland, Australia on a beautiful sunny winter's day. Absolutely gorgeous. Lots of inspiration around when it's nice and sunny. So I'm happy Jen, happy to be in my art room, and I'm going to be pouring on this MDF round. It was a round placemat I got from Kmart here in Australia for $3. So it would cost me more than that to, uh, you know, buy a canvas and use a canvas. So today I'm using the MDF round, and you can actually use that then. You could make a clock out of it, you could make a wall hanging, you could resin it and use it as a skillet. Is it a skillet or a trivet? A trivet. A day of a trivet. So what I'm doing with that that tape is making it kind of double-sided to stick it onto my spinny thingy, so as it don't go whizzing off when I put the paint on it. So that's what I'm doing at the minute. I'm just prepping it all up. I've been asked before, where did I get that spinner from? It was just from a homeware store in Australia called Spotlight, or I may have even got that one from TK Maxx. But it absolutely spins like a U-boot, really good. So it's a really good little spinny thing. Underneath that I put a shower cap over it to protect it, so I just can buy a packet of the shower caps that are on 10 for $1 or something in the discount store. So that's nice to use over your spinnery thing. So what I'm using is some leftover paint, which was a navy that I had made, and I'm going to do a split composition on this particular piece. So I did the navy there, and the second side, come on Jilly, what colour do you reckon I'm going to go with it? Well, there you go. These gorgeous turquoise, which I just love. It's just beautiful. So I'm going to layer my paints first, and just make sure that this is your nice, easy, relaxing part. Actually, use this as your art therapy. Just spreading that paint around like you're icing a cake. I just find it the most relaxing. So, and then we'll move on to the next exciting piece. Next stage is the cool blue. It is very close to phthalo blue, or it's called cool blue, phthalo blue. It's just a really nice deep blue. That colour is the wicker that I'm using. They're all global impasto paints, and that's wicker. It's kind of like an orange yellow, and I just really like it when you're doing something that you want to look a little bit classy. And that, of course, is my metallic copper. So I'm just putting these colours through the sort of off-centre as you see it there. And I decide to go a little bit more wicker. As I said, I love that colour. Actually, is that wicker or was that gold? Because I'm doing a voiceover on this, so looking back on it, may have been gold. And then that is just the Amsterdam paint mixed with Floetrol, and that is my Berry Delicious, or purple, deep purple, mixed with just Floetrol only, and it helps give the beautiful cells. But so do my pouring medium that I mix all my other paints with, give gorgeous cells with the global impasto paints. So just layering those on. So I'm heading like to get a really nice lacy effect, but gonna draw out those absolutely stunning colours. And of course that's just the white mixed with Australian Floetrol. Wow, looky, just look at those gorgeous lacy cells that it's drawing up. They are absolutely stunning. So I'm going to continue. That's just a little soft piece of plastic from a file divider that I've just cut up, or you can use any little soft plastic. It's a really, really good swipey tool. But I'll bring you down in a second or two to have some nice close-up look at these cells that are that's all helping create. Boy, oh boy, how gorgeous is that? It is really lovely. You'll see when I bring it down close. It's just beautiful. So with a coat of resin on that, it will really pop. Oh, that's what I've got, is just a skewer. I'm going to do some squiggly bits through it, and then I will give it a spin on my spinner. But I don't really want to alter this composition very much, because it's really gorgeous, and I just know, as I said, with some resin on it, it could be a fantastic clock, just a great wall piece or piece of art on its own, or even a placemat with resin over it. I still could use that as a placemat and do a set of 4 or 6 of them. So that's another great idea, because it's quite cost effective when you're only paying $1 or $2 for the actual MDF. So I'm going to bring you down now. Oh my goodness, just look at that gorgeousness. Beautiful lacy cells, gorgeous colours on the MDF round. So would make a really good placemat, or you could convert it into a clock. So many options. It can be resined, or it could just be gloss coated. Just a lovely, lovely effect, and so simple pimple. Okie dokie, my lovelies, I hope you liked that one. Until tomorrow. Oh, I'm mesmerised. Look at that, so gorgeous. Okie doke, until tomorrow, my lovelies, please take care. Bye for now.